in a world.
In the heart of quiet Elk Grove, California, a hidden threat lurked. Roof rats, masters of disguise, infiltrated homes, causing mischief and worry. Enter Brent, a dedicated guardian, armed with a keen eye and a trusty tool. He exposed the enemy's secret passage, a network of tiny openings hidden in plain sight. Quick and precise, deployed his arsenal. A fine mesh screen, his first line of defense, followed by the high-tech foam gun, erasing any trace of opportunity. Not just functional, but beautiful. Brent's artistry ensured the solution blended seamlessly with the home's exterior, a testament to his dedication to creating harmony. The battle moved inside the attic. With compassion and expertise, Brent cleared the infestation, emphasizing the use of traps and educating residents about rodent behavior. Victory was declared. Rat's eviction notice served, the home secured. But Brent's commitment didn't end there. He vowed to return, ensuring the peace of mind for the residents. Zepol Labs, the guardian of Elk Grove, stood vigilant, the shield against the unseen threat. The protector of peace and comfort, its courage fueled by a passion to make the world a safer place from pests.
So I wanted to show everybody one of my little inspection tools. Little mirror, you can find it at any hardware store. It's usually in the automotive section. These roof rats, man, they can squeeze into some really tight spaces. So a rodent proofing has already been done here before, and this is what was missed. So why don't you stay tuned, join me, and I'll show you. So if you can see there, they sealed off the roof junction. That doesn't look too bad. Even screened and foamed off on the side. But this is what was missed.
No room for amateurs in this game.
It looks like it's all sealed, but with this little inspection mirror, there we go. There it is right there. Hello! They're gaining access right there. There's a roof dropping right there, some rub marks. They got this perfect little hole chewed out in between the stucco and the framing, it looks like, and that's how they're gaining access. All right, so here we go. We got that area completely screened off right now. My handy dandy pure black foam gun designed to seal out wildlife. Really, I want to take away that breezeway so the rodents don't even know that this is an access point. They're gonna be able to smell that breezeway, not anymore. Not after it's all foamed in, sealed up. We want to make sure it's aesthetically pleasing from the ground. You're never even gonna know that that screen is even there. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm up in the attic. That area that I sealed up is right over there. You can't really access it too much. There's a firewall there. But rodents are running this runway right here. All the activity is, all the runways are heading that direction, and that's where we just sealed up out front. So I noticed in one of my comments one time, somebody said, what, you just seal them up and leave them to die inside the attic?
Yes, precisely.
Well, no, of course not. I've got a trap line set in various locations. And this is what I was talking about when rodents are neophobic. You see, there's a lot of insulation that they could be tracking through, but they're not. They're running those same lines, following those pheromone trails. All right, we're all set. The eviction notice has been signed and sealed. Everything is sealed up. I've got the trap line in place. Again, roof rats are very neophobic. They run the same lines. As long as they have a safe, reliable food source on the exterior, especially the alpha male and female, they're not going to touch those traps. But now that they've been evicted or sealed in, we've got the trap line in place. I've already made an appointment to come back out and check those traps on Friday, clear them, and follow up with them until the problem is 100% resolved.